Today I'm going to show you 3 simple and effective ways to make homemade flaxseed skincare using one powerful natural base. Flaxseed gel has been used for generations because it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and natural compounds that help hydrate the skin, improve elasticity, calm inflammation, and support a healthy glow. This routine is gentle, affordable, and especially good if you prefer natural skincare or have sensitive skin. To begin, add whole flax seeds into a pot of water and bring it to a gentle boil. As the flax seeds cook, stir occasionally and watch closely. After a few minutes, the water will begin to thicken and turn into a gel-like consistency, similar to raw egg whites. This gel is where all the skin benefits are. Once the gel forms, turn off the heat immediately. While it's still hot, carefully sieve the mixture to separate the flax seeds from the gel. This step is important because it gives you a smooth, clean gel that's easy to apply on the skin. Once strained, you'll have fresh flaxseed gel. Now divide the gel evenly into 3 separate bowls. Each bowl will be used to create a different skincare treatment depending on your skin's needs. In the first bowl, add raw honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin and helps keep it there. When combined with flaxseed gel, it creates a deeply hydrating and nourishing treatment that helps soften dry skin, improve dullness, and promote a healthy glow. This mixture is ideal for dry, tired, or aging skin. In the second bowl, add fresh aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is widely known for its soothing, cooling, and healing properties. When mixed with flaxseed gel, it creates a calming treatment that helps reduce redness, irritation, and inflammation. This combination is especially beneficial for sensitive skin, acne-prone skin, or skin that feels irritated or stressed. It helps balance oil production while still providing hydration, making it gentle enough for regular use. In the third bowl, add vitamin E oil or the contents of vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that supports skin repair, protects the skin barrier, and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dryness. When combined with flaxseed gel, it forms a nourishing, anti-aging treatment that improves elasticity and supports healthier-looking skin. This mixture works best as a night treatment. This treatment is especially good for mature skin or skin that feels very dry. As with all natural skincare, it's important to do a patch test before applying any of these mixtures to your face. Store any leftover flaxseed gel in a clean container in the refrigerator and use it within 5 to 7 days for freshness and safety. Natural skincare doesn't work overnight, but with consistency and patience, these simple ingredients can support healthier, more radiant skin over time. If you found this helpful, like, save, and share this video with someone who loves natural skincare, and follow for more easy, homemade beauty remedies you can trust.